How to fix business account can't be private on Instagram, just like this. All right, so you must first convert your business account to a personal account. Here's how to do it. Launch the app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Under the For Professionals section, find Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. Choose Switch to Personal Account. Confirm your choice when prompted. Once switched, go back to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account Privacy under Privacy and Security. Enable the toggle for Private Account. After completing these steps, your account will be private, allowing only approved followers to see your content. Remember that switching back to a business account later will result in losing insights and analytics from your previous business profile. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.